Keep going.
Man.
This shit too easy for be easy. Niggas better be easy. Oh, he go squeeze.
Okay, niggas playing to the bitches wanna follow. I tell them bitches quick, look like models, but they look like models. When I get drunk, drinking that rose, I go the whole bottle and make a bad bitch look like a model. Now she wanna go home with me, cause I'm a G, and I tell the bitch it's not no fucking freebies. Only go for 3 letters, bitch, B. You know me, but I like the shit free, cause all of that shit come with be easy. Niggas so cheesy. Bitches, if you don't believe me, I swear to God, you watching this, my life is a movie. I just sit down, freestyle, this real shit. I swear to God, I pull quick, 30 dick. And if a nigga really want it, to tell a nigga come, nigga like Wayne, show me my opponent. I try to tell a nigga, you talking monkey shit. Well, go ahead, I keep meat, banana clips. I come here, find me an Ocala with a probably a nice bitch that looks swallow, but hold on.
I got a Rollo.
They fucking creeping through my hood. I don't know, they thinking that it's good. Nigga, look at this shit, my nigga.
Hey, tell him.
This really piece out the nigga, Okay, yeah. I said they creeping through my hood like it's all good. I try to tell you, injured broke, nigga, pop the hood. I try to tell you, my niggas, they coming with them text my little nigga, do this shit just to respect. I try to tell you, no gang bang, that ain't how I hang, little nigga, and I do my thing. Don't need a lot of niggas riding with me, because I ride by myself, and plus, I get 150 in the 50.
Solo.
I tell little bitch, I get solo. Nigga, and when you see me, I always do it bolo. Nigga, and when I see the bitch, I say modo. And if she don't do it, then I say bajo. Do my shit moving, like up in my Tahoe. Bitch, when I'm swerving, take the bitch to Tahoe.
On the plane.
Bitch, she on the plane and tell the bitch to do this. Bitch, this is the same. She ain't riding first class. She probably up in coach. Probably got a Gucci purse or maybe coach. And I don't know which one. I know that I'm the coach. Tell the bitch to go. Go, bitch, go.
Louis Vuitton.
No, it's Louis Vuitton. But tell these bitches I got dreads like I'm Jamaican. And white parties, bitches coming by Marley. And when I go dumb, now we say Marley. I
Fit it in Ed Hardy.
I get away. And bitch, you know me, you can see me every day. And then I'm fucking dressed in all Hardy. And I don't never drink party. I never drink that shit, only fine wine. And bitch, you fuck with me, you better know the time. Only fucking bad bitches better be some done. If not, you're not one more time. I keep going, baby, you know I do it. I keep it moving like oceans, baby, hell, I do it. Go ahead and drink some. I know you want some, cause you're looking kinda thirsty. Let me put a drip on your tongue, baby. I go dumb, baby. I got some shit that'll numb a few gums, baby. Baby girl, you wanna ride with me? Baby girl, you wanna get fly with me? I'm the flyest nigga I think on 2 feet, nigga. And this is the way that life's supposed to be. And if you're talking to the ABCs, remember they call me B-E-Z, but you can call me G. A matter of fact, with the OGs, nigga, when I hit the jail, nigga, when I hit the cell, everybody in there got a different story to tell. Most of the niggas, they be lying, most of the niggas fairy tale. Most of them ain't real niggas, because when I be in there with real nigga, I try to tell you real niggas get down, nigga. I try to tell you most don't got weapons, but when you're in there, you gotta have him like Tekken and beat your ass, even with a cab. I try to tell the nigga, hurry up and do your math. And do your math how much time you got left, because the nigga, you might have to go left, because the niggas gon' have to stab you. Make you see death. I come hard the niggas when I push it in the step. I
get off first.
Nigga, how I do it, this nigga say how you do it.